How to sync contacts on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync contacts on VK, easy and quick. First open VK and then click Hub. After that click these three lines here and click settings, and here we'll find app settings. Then just scroll down and click clear, click send contacts, and then click allow, and that's it. And then just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.